Namaste everyone. I just wanted to record a quick video and tell you about a new program which I'm launching. So this program is called Energy Transformation Program, right? So if you have been part of my, some of my WhatsApp class or, some of my weekly meditation circles, I would have repeatedly talked about energy, right? I would have said that, how important it is to have high energy in life, right? So ultimately, when we want to become more meditative and when we want to grow on the spiritual journey, we have to become more and more aware, right? So we have to become more and more aware of our physical aspects. We have to become more aware of our mental aspects. We have to become more aware of our spiritual aspects, and we have to become more aware of our emotional aspects, right? And awareness comes only when we have high energy, right? If we do not have energy to be aware, then we keep on living unconsciously, right? We keep on living in our patterns, we keep on living in our cycles, right? Which is not good, right? Which is not good, right? So hence, it's very important to focus on awareness, and and keeping that in mind, if you want to be more aware, you have to ensure that you focus on gaining more and more energy, right? So if you throughout the day, if you have low to medium energy, then you should focus on making that energy as high as possible, right? So that's what you should do. So with that intention, I put down this program called Energy Transformation Program. It has 6 modules within it. We start by understanding more about physical awareness. We become more aware physically. Then we talked about our entire chakra system. We understand how our energy system is within us. What do we do with it? How do we take care of it? And we will learn some breathing exercises to enhance our energies. Plus we will also do some chakra meditation to activate our chakras, right? And to balance our chakras, right? So that's the second part. The third part is we become more aware about our mental issues, our mental thoughts, whatever we are experiencing. We become more and more aware about those things. Fourth is we become more aware about our emotional aspects, right? But the ultimate objective is, as we become more and more aware, we gain more and more energy, right? So you will have some practices through which you will be able to gain more energy and become more aware of all these 4 aspects. And once you have gained sufficient energy, then there is a module on identifying the purpose which you are here for, right? So it's very important to have a very solid purpose in life, because when we have a purpose which is very strong, it keeps us motivated, and divine gives us the energy to fulfill that purpose. Even if we are busy with hundreds of things, if we have hundreds or thousands of responsibilities, still divine ensures that we get enough energy to fulfill that purpose, and living like that is very, very beautiful, right? So so it's a 6 module course. So you will get access to all these 6 modules. Plus, you will have access to weekly live sessions, which we will have every Sunday. And in these live sessions, I will cover various topics, right from how to improve relationships, how to, attract more abundance in life, how to become more healthy, and to how to become more meditative, how to live in the flow of life, how to experience divine connection, right? So I will talk about these things in the live sessions. And plus, you will also get access to my 21 days chakra program, which is which has a lot of advanced meditations. So it will help you really grow fast on your meditation journey. And then finally, you will also have access to a new meditation called Kundalini meditation. I have not done it live or in a course till now. So I'm experiencing that in my life. So whenever you're ready for it, it's an advanced meditation. It's not for everybody. Once you have progressed decently on your meditation journey, that is when you can go and be a part of this, right? So you will also have access to it, and we will do it in one of our live sessions, after which you can practice on your own, right? So that's the whole agenda. So if you're interested, then do let me know. You can just reach out to me. The amount which I'm charging is very, very small, as I do for all my courses. It's not much. So if you're interested, just message me, and I'll be happy to help you with all the details of this program, right? So thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening to me. If you have any questions, then feel free to reach me out. Thank you so much. Have a good day.